Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and here we go, the long-awaited Google 6 Pro by Google. Big shout out to Team Pixel. So let's start the video. Show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a special edition Team Pixel unboxing of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I just got it in. I had to chase down the FedEx guy. He wasn't there. Had to go all the way to the FedEx location so I could pick it up after 5 hours. But it's finally here, guys. The most anticipated Pixel that we've had in a very, very long time. They have their own processor now. They bumped up the camera megapixels. They are really trying to knock this out the park, especially when there's not really much competition that's doing anything different out there, especially on the Android side. So here we go. We have the special edition Google logo right there, as you guys can see from there. I'm gonna give you guys the experience so you guys can feel it. This is for YouTube reviewers or for anyone who's an influencer. As you guys can see, I could try to back this up a little bit, but it says the Google 6 Pro, 72 degrees, Tuesday the 19th. Today's the 20th, but there you go, guys. Open here, and here we have a little card, so you guys could pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. Here we go, guys. Let's pop this baby out. As you can see, we have the Arkham Knight edition. Beautiful, beautiful phone. Now, I did actually purchase myself the Pixel 6 because I had to try that one out because it has the flat sides. This one has the curved edges. But here you go, guys. We got a free case. Let's pop this baby out. Here we go. This is the case. This is the official case. It's called the translucent case for the Pixel 6 Pro. And we also have the Arkham Knight Pixel 6 Pro. Here we go, guys. Highly anticipated. As you guys can see from here, this does come in 3 different colors. So you have one that's kind of red. You have the yellow one. That's the one that Force Tech you just unboxed. You have the cloudy white, and you have this one. I did actually want the cloudy white, but this was definitely my second choice. Really digging it so far. So the box is a little bit smaller. You can put this side by side so you can just see exactly what it is. But I do have my Pixel buds, and I'm ready to start this baby up. So we have the 128 model, 5G, M-Wave N sub 6, and this is officially called the Stormy Black. All right, so let's just pop this baby out. You have a little tab there. Pop that out, and we can pop that out. Here we go, guys. The Pixel 6 Pro, and this whole part is black on both sides, and it does have the Google logo right there on the other side. So let's just pop this out, see what it looks like. Here we go, guys. Here we go. The new Pixel 6 Pro. Now we have the evolution of this, so we have a nice little plastic here. Pop that off. Now this is really giving me Note 20 vibes when it comes to the front. Very, very similar how it's squared off on the top and the bottom. But this back is like nothing else, guys. It's kind of grayish, but it's kind of black at the same time. And then we have that crazy camera hump. The specs on this camera lens system is incredible. And if you guys haven't seen the it's like the press conference of this, they added so much features, guys. So let's just power this baby on and see what else is inside the box. We can put that to the side right over here. And on the box, we don't have the charging box no more, but we do have a Type C to Type C, and you have your transfer cable here, so you could attach this to your iPhone or to your old Android phone, and you just need that Type A to actually fit inside there, so you can transfer your information. Over here, we don't have headphones, but we have our SIM ejection tool right over there in the back. But I definitely wanted to showcase to you guys, if you guys actually pre-order, and I think, well, when I order from Best Buy, I got these for free, so that's definitely like $100 saving, which you could go through the Google store as well. But I definitely went with this one so far. So here we go. Now in person, let's just check out the hardware in person. So it does have the curved edges, so you might have some problems, saying having tempered glass. This feels so much like a Galaxy, maybe Note 10 Plus. It just has that premium feel to it. Really, really nice. If you look closer, it's kind of grayish, but just from different lightings, it does look like it's black though. So Stormy Black is definitely on deck. So you have your volume up and down on the right side. Power button is pretty close to it. Nothing on the left side. Look at this camera system. A lot of people have been saying how it's like the Star Trek, and a lot of people have been saying that it looks like Cyclops from X-Men. It's definitely different. Now you don't have a headphone jack no more in this one, but you do have your speakers and your Type-C cable up there, and you have a couple of sensors up top, but it's definitely not light. Let me bring out some phones so you guys can see exactly what it's like compared to some other devices. I do have two in mind that I have been using. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So the Pro Max is definitely shorter, but the Pro Max is a little bit thicker, as you guys can see from here. So if you guys are coming from iPhones, or if you're undecided where to go with it, this is definitely what it looks like. And if you guys are on the Android space, I still have my Galaxy Z Fold 3, which will probably go to the shelf because I really have been waiting for the Pixel 6 Pro. So just pop this off, pop that off, and there goes the glue strips. All right, so here we go. Let me clean up my Z Fold real fast. All right, so here's the Z Fold 3 next to the Pixel 6 Pro. If you guys are curious about that, this is what that looks like, thickness wise, and the front screen, just like so. Very similar in height, but it is taller on the 6 Pro. And of course, you have, when it's folded out, this is what it looks like. So that's about it, guys. So if you guys want to see more videos, just stay tuned to the channel. If you guys have any questions, I will have a few videos coming up next week, so just stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel and follow Phone Check at Work. Big shout out to Team Pixel once again. This is what it looks like so far. Let's see if we could get into like a lighter screen setup. All right, so this is the boot up so far. I'm going to reset this so it's going to show over there. This is the boot up screen. All right, so here's the initial stuff right there, and it does have the newest Android 12, and this is what the home screen looks like, guys. Very nice. We do have the date up top, just like that, guys. Definitely looking forward to trying this out. So much stuff to talk about when it comes to the Google 6 Pro. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Google 6 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Look at that camera. Holy crap.